Hi everyone and welcome for a really nice apitherapy video. This time we'll be talking about a study, a clinical study that has just been done. It's been published, the results have been published on March 20th, 2021, so very recently at the moment where I'm making that video. So it is about, maybe you can guess, it is about propolis and COVID. So very interesting, of course, to be allowed to talk about COVID. You need clinical studies, you need really serious studies behind what you're saying. And finally, there's been one conducted, it's been done in Brazil by the Lenin Group with Apitherapy. So they initiated that study, it's been realized in a hospital in Brazil. And actually the link for the full study is in the description of this video. And it's really promising. The study was conducted on 124 patients that were hospitalized, that has very serious COVID symptoms, and they needed to be hospitalized. So it's a serious study. So 3 groups in the study, 124 patients total, 42 patients as just a plain group with nothing different than the usual hospitalization, just to have some kind of baseline on what we could expect. And then a second group, 40 patients in this group. These ones actually received 400 milligrams per day of standardized propolis that have been given in capsules. So it's standardized extract of propolis actually. So we cannot know exactly what is in that product. It's been standardized by the company, Lenin Apitherapy, that did the study. So we don't have the exact details of it. We know it's 60% of green propolis and 40% of brown propolis. Green propolis, of course, from Baccharis, and brown propolis from poplar trees. So so that extract 400 milligrams per day, given in capsules, of course. And then the third group, 42 participants in that third group, and they received 800 milligrams per day, so double the dosage of the second group of the same standardized capsules. Okay, so and then the results, what were the results of the study, just to make it very plain and simple. So the regular group, they needed about, an average, they needed 12 days to get back to, let's say, normal and to not be at risk anymore, not be hospitalized anymore, 12 days. The second group with 400 milligrams per day, they did need, as an average, of course, only 7 days. And the third group, only 6 days to get back to normal, get rid of this risk and hospitalization. So about half of the time. So when you're hearing that, oh yeah, the hospitals are full, and it takes, there's no more room to treat people and so on. Well, this is just amazing to reduce half of the hospitalization time using just plain propolis capsules. It's very low cost. And it's natural on top of it. This is just amazing, actually. Such great results. So since the results were so good, the same group are actually preparing another study with more patients, and probably, I'm guessing, also more data, also more things will be studied. Again, if you want more details, the full article description is in the link is in the description of that video. So this is just amazing, very promising. Of course, if you have questions regarding this, you're welcome to put them in the comments below the video. And since that is so great, I just wanted to invite all of you to a really wonderful event. It's a 2-day conference on propolis organized by the International Propolis Research Group, IPRG. And so this year, this will be happening on May 27th and 28th. 2021, of course. And the title of the conference is Propolis, a Medicine for Our Time. So that's why I presented you that study just before announcing this conference, now you understand the title of that conference, Propolis, a medicine for our time. You see that obviously it's just so effective for COVID treatment. So in that study, it's showing this. So yeah, so very promising. Propolis, a medicine for our time. Such a great title, so clever. It's just a wonderful group. Just to let you know, this will be the 4th conference they organized, that group. I attended the 3rd one. It's been given in Sofia, Bulgaria. It was, of course, on place, like we were really like physically attending that conference. Now that time, of course, it will be given online only. Yeah, so it's just a great conference. There's a lot of different study from scientists that are presented one after the other. So if you want to learn about the latest findings, scientific findings around propolis, it's really, honestly, I think it's the best event worldwide to attend. And now this year it's online, very accessible for everyone. It's only 20 euros to participate in that event. This is just an amazing opportunity for any beekeeper, any person that is interested by natural medicine and so on. It's just such a great event. So I really do invite all of you to contact them and so on. Again, of course, the link for this is also in the description of that video. So yeah, there you go. Hope that will be interesting for you. I hope you see a little bit the potential behind all this, and see you another time for another Apitherapy video.